Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 4th of 2025 is titled Blue Arcs Toward Andromeda. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an image, and the galaxy that we see is the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. And this is an extremely deep exposure taken by dozens of astronomers, both amateur and professional, that to combine to observe this area for over 500 hours over the past couple of years. Now, why would they do that? Well, it's because of this recently discovered bluish glow that we see down and to the left of the galaxy. And this is actually the emission of oxygen gas, and in fact not just any oxygen, but oxygen which has had 2 electrons removed. Now that takes pretty high temperatures and a lot of energy to rip 2 electrons off of the oxygen atoms. And the big question when this was first found is, what is this bluish glow? We knew it was oxygen, but was it associated with the Andromeda Galaxy? Is it something that is several million light years away like Andromeda? Or was it a part of our own galaxy that happens to be located in the same general direction? And this very deep image that was taken that we're showing you today really was able to partially help answer that question and tell us that this is actually part of our galaxy, and in fact it is a new type of object, or at least a new subclass of object. It's an example of a planetary nebula, which is the end state of most stars in the galaxy. Except for the most massive stars, which will become supernovae, most stars will become a planetary nebula at the end of their lives. And we've seen pictures of planetary nebulae in the past, but this is now what is known as a ghost planetary nebula, a completely new class. Now, planetary nebulae, as they go through their lives, they expand. So they are the outer layers of a star expanding out into space. And here we're seeing just small portions of that left over. Most of this being an older planetary nebula, has already expanded out and dissipated and is very hard to pick up. So how it gets its name as being a ghost planetary nebula. And we see only the little bits of it. The blue is highly shocked material as the star is moving in that general direction, moving from the upper right to lower left, and that star itself is now below and to the left of Andromeda and above and to the right of the main blue region. And as the star moves, the intense energies, or the material is shocked as it moves away and heats up to high temperatures and gives off those very high ionization states that we see for oxygen. Now, parts of this nebula are also the reddish glow that kind of swirl around Andromeda there. So going up above the blue and then down below Andromeda and up to the right center of the image. Those are actually glows from hydrogen gas, but they're still part of this ghost planetary nebula. So, as now that we found one of these, we're going to start learning more about them. We will be able to study them in more detail, and there are another 6 or 7 of these that have also been identified. So again, once we find one of them, we start to find more, and then we start to get statistics that we can use to really better understand this new class of object that has been discovered. So that was our picture of the day for August 4th of 2025. It was titled Blue Arcs Toward Andromeda. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Complex Stellar Jumble. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.